Okay, I want to show you a live example from today's intraday market action on the eMini S&P 500 futures chart, how to work with the genetic algorithm here. So this is, we are live the markets just 10 minutes before market close. You see a live example here, but let me just explain how we use our cycle tools here. Oh, you see even this signal here was coming in live just during this minutes here, but I will review the chart together with you. So if you follow the genetic algorithm in general, let me explain to you how you use it in intraday trading example here. So this is how I set it up today just before the market opened. Let's review it in a bigger chart here. So for this example, now I will just let me just wait. I will just set it to the default layout just to have it a little bit more clearer. Okay, so let's start with the genetic algorithm in general. For this example here, I use the mini futures for the S&P 500. In this case, a volume chart with 8K. So trading volumes and cycles is quite more interesting here. I use data from the 2nd of January, so at least the last 2 weeks with data, and the last 10% as an out of sample bar. So I used the data until beginning of this week to set up our genetic algorithm here. And just to showcase the example, what I used here was the standard RSI indicator example, just to showcase it here, which means that this example uses a standard crossover rule with the relative strength index for buy signals, sell signals, exit long and exit short. So nothing special at all, just to show you that the important things to set up your indicators just before trading starts is how to set up the parameters. So you'll see these are variables here which then have been evaluated later by the genetic algorithm. So in general here you see that we have a huge search space here for the possible combinations if we use buy, sell, exit, long and exit short strategies with the RSI where we don't know which parameters should we use. So this is just the standard setting just to demonstrate it. We use the standard fitness function here, which is looking for quite stable equity curve. So during evaluation, I just have it running for, let's say, 3 minutes. So you see here how the system evolved just over time. I started this just before the market opened today, just to prepare for your intraday trading here. So after 3 minutes, the genetic algorithm was able to tweak out interesting parameter combinations here, which traded about 80 points, profitability 80%. Nice system quality number here. And a nice profit factor here. So in this situation here, I just took the best genome here. You see the equity curve for the system here. So we have a quite stable equity curve based on these parameters here. And even in the out of sample period, even if there was one big losing trade, but the out of sample period also has an upsloping equity curve, which quite looks good here. You can browse all these combinations here as you are familiar with if you have reviewed all the others example here. So these are the trading systems with the genetic algorithm. So we will stay with the top one for this example here. So on the right hand side you see the parameters for the RSI. So for the long signal, the short signal, the exit long and the exit short. So this trading system was just evaluated by the genetic algorithm just before the market starts. So we had our parameter combination here. Just to show you that this was done before the market opened, I did some screenshot in the morning. So this is just a screenshot from this morning here. So you see the same platform here and the genomes, and let's make it even a little bit bigger. So you have the same top one here with the same signals here. And you see from the screenshot that was taken this morning, 1 hour before market opens. I'm located in Hamburg, Germany, so this is the local time here on Friday, the 17th of January. So 1 hour before the market opened, I took this screenshot here, and this is the signal here. So the eMini was trading at 1835, and even the forex symbol he was trading at this level here. So even if you doubt it, you can look up the numbers here. So this screenshot was taken from tomorrow before the market opened, and this is how the volume chart looked like at this point in time. So here's the eMini, and I just evaluated here at 7.27 with the system time here and the server time here. The genetic algorithm with the parameters shown you here in the current. Yeah, this is the same engineer. So I stopped it just after 3 minutes and looked up the same values. You can see here the buy script is the close 28.43. Let's review it from the screenshot from this morning. 28.43, so even the same numbers here. Just if you're in doubt, I took the screenshot from this morning here. So once you have prepared for trading, so you get your parameters here from the genetic algorithm, which helps you to stay in tune with the market. The next step then is just to set up the alerts. So the second thing you will do is within the genetic. Oops. Let me just wait. What happened here? Oh. Now I try to close the genetic algorithm. You see data coming in, so let's just wait some minutes until it's closed here. Yes, just so now it went back to the main window here, but we are not interested in the genetic algorithm. Let's move to the live situation here. So here's the volume chart. So once you've found your parameters for intraday trading, there's another feature which gives you the opportunity to set up alerts. So which means that you simply just activate an alert, which I did here this morning. Let me just review which is the right one. No, I think this one here on the volume chart. Yes, exactly here. So I called it genetic algorithm volume example. And I put in the exact numbers here. You find RSI close 28.43. So I activated this alert this morning just after I tweaked out the numbers. And the alert script just enables you that all the signals now will be shown up here in the script log. And for sure, in addition, will be directly plotted on the real-time chart. So this is the volume chart. This is the point in time at 7.30 where I just activated the genetic algorithm, tweaked out the numbers, and started the alert. And this is just 8:30. So this is where the market did open. This morning. So and these symbols here just show now the alerts which have been arrived in real time based on the RSI parameters we tweaked out with the genetic algorithm here. So this is the real example of how the market behaved and how the trading results would have been based on this showcase here. So let's just review the numbers here. So the first signal was issued here at the close on of this number here. So 33 down to this value here, 35. So these have been 2.5 points. So the first trade was this down trade here, which gave us plus 2.5 eMini points. So this was the first trade just signaled live here. Then the next signal came the next sell signal came in here just at the close here. Then the next signal came in here within exit long, so we haven't been long here, so we can ignore the exit long signal. And then another sell signal here, which occurred here. So these have been the sell signals here, and we stayed in the short trade until this time here. So we went short at this level here. So it's an 1835.7, 1836. So this is a loss of let's just show it on the chart. This was this trade here, which gave us just wait, minus 0. Minus 0.5. So this was a small loss of a half point here. So and yeah, this was the buy here. So we went long here up to this signal here. So there was this long signal here, and we stayed long until this sell signal here. So let's just draw it on the chart. So it was this trade here, and yeah, the level was 1836.25, 8037 point. Yeah, this was just plus this was a plus 0.75 trade here, and then we had this short signal here at this close here, and then we had this short trade until this long signal came in at this level here. So I will just highlight this trade here from here to here. So and this one gave us 8034.5, 2.75. So 1.75. This was a plus 1.75 points here, this trade. Then we went long from this point until the next short signal came in here. So this was, yeah, more or less an equal trade here from 3.2.75 to 3. The close of this one here is 2.27. The close of this one here, yeah, this is an equal trade. So this was a 0. Nothing happened here, and then we went. I think you saw this signal coming in live as I started recording here. So and we went short at this point here until this point. So only a small profit here on this trade from here to here. So this has been, yeah, just minor, I think. Yeah, just quarter plus 0.25. This has been a 0.0. So and from this point here, yeah, we went long, and we are now in this trade now in the live mode, but just market closed right now. So we are, I tell this a neutral trade here. So just from this close here onto this, so a slight plus, but it won't count here in this example. I've seen during recording, you saw these two signals here coming in live. You see, so that the full example is just a live example, which has been running over the course of the day, and the system has just tweaked out 1 hour before market starts. Even all alerts are just put in here in the alert window here. So you can see that there have been different systems running. So the first signal we monitored here for our volume chart was just the sell signal at the 841. So this is the sell signal here at 841. So all the signals have been printed to the log for sure and have been shown up on the chart here. So if you just count up the numbers, 2.75, 3 point, 4.5, 4 points. So the total for current day trading is a plus 4.75 eMini futures points traded. Yeah, which is quite an outstanding result. And I mean, we even used a standard RSI technique here, but you see that within normal brute force techniques, you would not have been able to evaluate all possible parameter combinations. By using the genetic algorithm, it was able to tweak out profitable parameter combinations within 3 minutes out of the huge search space. And you see here how it behaved during real-time intraday trading, that it's quite a profitable trading rules, even if they have been executed quite mechanical. And all this have been coming in live. I think the best was that we had during this 10-minute recording 2 live signals here which showed up, which even demonstrates to you that's a real-time example here. So I just wanted to highlight how you use the theoretical fundamentals within genetic algorithm, which I have explained in the Traders World article, how you can apply this to intraday trading. I use just a standard indicator here. For sure, you would use your favorite trading techniques or even cycles and let the genetic algorithm evolve what the dynamics of the markets are, and the genetic algorithm will help you to stay within the vibration of the markets. So I hope you like this example, and yeah, see you. Thanks for listening. Okay, this is just the screenshot just after market close now. So it's 5 minutes later, and I have to correct some things. So first of all, we've seen now that this last trade, so these two signals have came in live during the recording, and now we have the final result for the last trade. So this is you see the, if I go over, this is the exit long signal which took place here. So we have the result for the last trade, which started here and was just closed the exit signal came just 1 bar before market close today. So and this last trade gave us a plus 2.7.5 eMini points. And what I have correct, and this shows that even this is a live recording and was not prepared, I totally mixed up the numbers here. So the red ones are the correct. So this trade here was not a 0.75, it was a plus 1 point, and this trade for sure, I mean, even you see it visually, was not plus 1, so it was correctly a plus 5.2.5 eMini points. So I've just looked up the numbers and I've seen I made a complete wrong figure here. So the right one is the red number here. So the blue ones are just written files. These have been correct. So you see it's just was a mistake done by me. So if you count up now the results for the day, so 2.5 minus 0.5, so 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 5, it's 8.25. 8.5, and then it's 11.25. So the red totals now, so the blue one here is a wrong number. I just wanted to correct it after the close, that you just have the update here. So the full result for the day was it traded over 11 2.5 eMini futures point for today's trading. You even saw the last signals here coming on live, so it really shows that it's live, and you see counting it wrongly in the first sense here. So this is just the correction I wanted to add after this video here. Thanks for listening. Bye.